Hi friends, I'm Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I plan to make something healthy. So I'm going to use these lettuce wraps. So let me go ahead and prepare these lettuce wraps. First, let me prepare the mixture, which I need later on. To prepare this mixture, I took 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 2 tablespoons fish sauce. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of water to prepare this mixture. Mix it and then leave this brown sugar to dissolve. Let's prepare the chicken now, which I'll use for stuffing. To prepare this, here I took 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll add 2 tablespoons of very finely chopped garlic. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 1 thigh red chili. Fry everything for 1 to 2 minutes in medium heat. You can use fresh lemongrass or the dry lemongrass, whatever is available, or you can use lemongrass paste, whatever is available. Here I am using lemongrass paste. I took 2 tablespoons of lemongrass paste. Fry it for a minute in medium heat. Time to add minced chicken. Here I washed and drained chicken mince properly. Cook it in medium heat. Chicken mince doesn't take too long time to cook. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now time to add the mixture which I prepared earlier. Time to add salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything together and cook it in medium heat for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'll add 1 medium-sized diced onion and will cook for 1 minute in high heat. It's almost done. Chicken is also cooked now. Now I'll add 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon fresh mint and 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, and I'll mix everything together in high heat. Cook it for a minute and garnish with red Thai chili and spring onion. Our step 2 is done. Now we can move on to step 3. Now I'll prepare peanut sauce. To prepare this, I took 200 ml of coconut milk. I need to use peanut butter. You can use peanut butter powder or this crunchy peanut butter, anything you can use. Adding 2 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter. Cook it in very low heat. Let the peanut butter melt in the coconut milk now. Now I'll add 2 tablespoons of red Thai curry paste. Crunchy peanut butter gives a very nice crunchy texture when you pour the sauce on our lettuce wraps. Now I'll add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, pinch of salt. Mix everything together. The color looks very tempting. The sauce consistency neither too runny nor too thick. So our step 3 is done. Let's go to step 4. To I'll put minced chicken keema which I prepared with some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Sprinkle some roasted peanut. Pour some peanut sauce. Finally, garnish with some Thai red chili and spring onion. It's done. So my healthy Thai lettuce wrap is totally ready to munch now. So I'll come back with more healthy recipes. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I upload my new video. So thanks for watching. See you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.